Hello friends, today we will start our PLC program for water filling machine. Already in my previous video I will show you how to design the HMI. This is our HMI design already done in last video. So today we'll make the PLC program. I will here, okay, first I will create a function block and this filling machine, that's our function block. We'll create our input output. First our function is store and we have sensor input, then we have two timer, downtime and filling time. Here we need one clock pulse for animation, so clock pulse. This is time, we need here time, this is time, that's good. What's our output? We have conveyor output, we have head down output or filling down. Okay, then what we have, filling valve, one and other output will be used for sensor. This one we'll use for check our tag of the sensor. So sensor out, okay. Then we have animation of the conveyor. So this is our integer conveyor integer. So I make here, this one is integer, okay. And then we have also head down is our head down filling unit. This one also is integer. And we have output of the timer, so head time 80 and filling time 80. So this two is time, we will make here time and time, that's good. We'll use some statics, so it's easy to, I will be create static one, is boolean. I will take in one time up to 8. Okay, this 8 is static I have. Now I will start my program. First we need our input, okay. So we need input is positive edge. Sorry, set reset, and this input is positive edge. Here I give the my static word A1, this one I make A2. Here also I need to give one static. Okay, this one our start. Okay, start cycle. Okay, what is this? This is our start button and this is our stop button. The first step is our complete. Now second ring. This is our conveyor start. Okay, when our A1 A2 sorry is start on, then our conveyor on. Okay, where is our conveyor output? Okay, this output will come. Finish our second step. If you will see here, this is our function. You can understand here. First step, conveyor run. Okay, detect the bottle with sensor. Okay, so now we need to be check with sensor if our machine is on. A2. Okay, here copy. A2 machine is on and our sensor also is positive edge. Okay, my sensor is on, then A3 is done, A4. Okay, then what happened? Set. Sorry. Set our A5. A5. This is our static value and this is sensor. Sensor. Now our second step. Okay, here one another thing. When our sensor is on, conveyor should be stopped. See, when sensor is front of this one, is bottle come, then should be is stop this one conveyor. For this purpose, we need to use normal close here. Sorry, A5. Now, when our sensor will be stopped, on, our conveyor will be stopped. Okay, this function will be complete. Now head down. Head down. Okay. When our head down is A5, sensor input is coming. Okay. Then our head down is a start. We can here make also head down. We have the output filling head down. Okay, head down. Now head down timer. This is two option I gave here. This head down, actually I'm showing this I'm using this signal only for tag, and timer I am using for my animation. So use timer, time on, and this one here I need one normal open. When my signal will come, sensor, that time timer will on, and what is the our time, down time, air time, and output will be output head down time will come. That function also will be complete. When my head down will be complete, that time my filling will start. Output of filling head down, filling valve is on. That's okay. Now our this function is okay. Second function is filling time. Okay. First sensor is on and my head down is down. Head down is IC time 1 output. Okay, and this one A5. Okay, now I need another timer. This is okay. This is our okay. That's 80 filling 80. I will take care. And filling it is okay. Now filling time here. We'll put our filling time. When filling time is complete, okay, and signal is on, sensor on. So sensor A5 is on and time filling is complete. That time this is reset our A5, means sensor will be reset. So this is our basic program is complete now. Now one another thing, this is the sensor reset. What's the remaining? We have the counter animation. So counter, I'm using the counter for animation when my conveyor is on. So where is my conveyor output? It's on. Sorry, here. Okay, should be clock. I need the clock pulse and counter on. I need counter up. Good. I want to be counting 4 times. This one I need to be reset. Okay. Here is my counter integer value. Counter integer value. Okay. So how do we reset the counter here? Normal close of A2. A2 is start. When start button, start relay is off, that time should be our counter will be reset. Okay. This is reset counter auto. Okay, how to will reset? We need to compare. Is greater than or equal. So my counter integer value is equal 4 or greater than 4. Then reset. I give here static A6. Okay, that's is good. Now one another animation is remaining, our head down. So head down, It's filling head down. So this one also I have timer, but I will use the function of divide. This is my divide function. What is the divide? My timer, head down timer, divide on 1000 because it's second, and head down integer will be output. Okay, that's great. Now our program is complete. We will go to in our back to main page. So main page, close. I bring here. That's okay. Now we will be make the our tag. So first we need the input tag. Our start is input 1, 2 and 3. Already I set the memory bit and clock bit M0.5. This is 1 Hertz, 1 second pulse. Then my timer, I want to go later time. Okay, my time, sorry, this is my downtime, and this is okay. ET number 5 is this one, and 6 is this one. It's okay. Now letter output conveyor number 1, filling. Now head down is the number 2, filling is number 3, sensor is number 4. Now my integer value. So first is count, okay, and second in conveyor head down. That's okay. So this is my program. We need to be make the simulation start. That is our simulation. It will take time. This is load the program, and we are waiting for okay start module. That's good. You can check here. Okay. Then I'll go to HMI and I'll also start here simulation. This is my block inside, and this is our simulation. First I give time here 10 seconds, head down, and 12 seconds I'll give the filling time. Right now I will be start my cycle. My conveyor is on. Okay, you will see here conveyor on. Okay, conveyor is on, and we saw here animation is not working. Is why not working? There is conveyor integer 1. Okay, and what is the here my address?
Fuck off! Fuck you!
That's totally letter output. Oh, okay, this one should be my address, not input. Here is my mistake. Letter integer output is number 1 and output integer number 2. Save and again in download. Load. It's okay. Okay, now I will see in simulator. You will see conveyor is running. Okay, when sensor is activate, now sensor is activate, you will see sun is coming down. Okay, one time is complete, filling on, filling valve also is on. Okay, when time 12 seconds is complete, you'll see again conveyor is on, again sensor will give pulse of the sensor to be on. Here should be some light and message with sensor. Why not coming? Sensor out. Not coming. Why not coming? We need to see here. A5 and filling down up. A5. Filling down and sensor also. When sensor is on, should be sensor on. So I want to give one another. I will add one ring here. One add new ring. Sensor output. Sensor output. Output. That's okay. And this is A5 and here is sensor out. Let's downloading my program. Okay, and go online. So now you'll see here message is coming, sensor on, and this light also is blinking. Now sensor is coming and this head is down. After 10 seconds, sensor down and sensor on, filling on. This our valve is okay on. When is 12 seconds complete, it will be go back. This is our simple program.